Do you want to know how to mute someone on Instagram messages? Are you tired of being bombarded by notifications from certain users? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to easily and quickly mute someone's messages on Instagram. After watching this tutorial, you'll know the simple steps required to stop receiving those pesky notifications. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, follow this step-by-step guide, and never be bothered by pointless message notifications ever again. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right. Once on this screen, locate the person whose message you want to mute. So, for example, I'll show you how to mute my friend Buzzy's messages. So to mute that person, simply swipe left on their name and tap on Mute. And now you have 3 different options to choose from. You can mute messages, mute calls, or mute chat activity. So in order to mute messages, simply tap on where it says Mute Messages. And now you have successfully muted someone on Instagram messages. And you'll see that now that person has a little speaker icon with a cross arrow, which means you muted their messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.